What's really going on? Bitcoin, crypto, currency, currently Cardano. Price action interacting with resistance overhead. $1.31 continues to give us a hard time. We need daily candles opening and closing back above $1.31 with their wicks and bodies to confirm that as support. And once support is confirmed, I'm looking for price action making its way back up to the $2.16 level. That is going to be the strongest area of resistance waiting for us here. Once support has been confirmed, I'm also looking out for potentially $1.42 as well as a potential area that could give us a hard time. However, the most significant key level that we are interacting with is $1.31, and at the moment it is resistance. Price action interacting with support down below appears to be coming off of technical key level $1.18. We do see buy pressure coming off of it ever since the 4th of December. However, failure to hold this range could bring us all the way down to the next area of support at $1.05. That is going to be the next area of buy pressure I anticipate price action interacting with if we were to experience any sort of continued downside here, as we are under the influence of self-suggestions ever since what appears to be the middle of September. EngineeringRobo has become bearish on price action since the $2.28 level, and since those self-suggestion price action has diminished down to 47% over the following sort of a couple months here, and still is more than 40% down at current levels. So we are awaiting further confirmations of the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation with some buy signals and price action back above support. This combination of robo advisors already allowed you to double your money ever since the bullish area of accumulation throughout the beginning of August. After accumulation, price action experienced up to 126% in upside over the following 30 days, and if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were still able to capitalize on 66% ROI with those sell suggestions that showed up throughout September. And if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions, you were saved from over 40% in downside there. So let me know your thoughts on price action down below. Currently, I am awaiting further confirmations of bullish accumulation. What are you doing with Cardano at current levels? Now, coin symbol Alice, ALICE. Price action interacting with support. It would appear down below here, buy pressure coming off of technical key level $11.58. This is going to be the area of support we need daily candles continuing to interact with. Daily candles opening and closing above it with their wicks and bodies further confirm it as support and add strength to a potential bullish area of accumulation. However, we are under the influence of self-suggestions ever since the beginning of December here, so we are awaiting buy signals as well. However, we do see technical support down below that we are looking for further interaction with. Failure to hold this key level down below here could bring us all the way down to the next area of support waiting for us if we were to continue any sort of downside, all the way down at $6.10. This is the next area of technical support waiting for us here if we were to fail to hold the current key level near price action. We are looking at resistance overhead, sell pressure coming off of $14.33 it would appear. However, I do believe price action will make its way up to $21.15 once we have solidified support at $11.58 and some buy signals return. This combination of robo advisors allowed you to experience what appears to be ever since bullish area of accumulation throughout the first couple of weeks of October. Price action experienced up to 129% in upside over the following 42 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, we have EngineeringRobo becoming bearish on price action throughout the beginning of December here, allowing you to still capitalize on 23% ROI as we await the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation. And since these sell suggestions, price action has experienced up to 28% in downside as we await the return of these buy signals. So let me know down below your thoughts on price action though. Now, quick look at Shiba Inu price action making its way downward here, looking for support. It would appear the most significant key level that we are looking for continued interaction with is going to be the 3605 level. That is going to be what appears to be overhead as resistance at the moment. We need daily candles back opening and closing above it with their wicks and bodies above it to confirm it as support to become more comfortably bullish on continued upside here, because we are under the influence of sell suggestions ever since the beginning of November, and since the sell signals price action has diminished down to 49% and still currently more than 39% down at current levels. So we are awaiting buy buy signals and further perhaps interactions with support, which may be present here for us down below at the 2613 level. That is going to be an area of buy pressure and support waiting for us if we were to continue this downside here. So now let me know your thoughts on Shiba Inu now. Coin symbol FTM, project Phantom. Price action looking for support. What appears to be key level down below $1.42 is going to be a key level of support. We need daily candles opening and closing with their wicks and bodies above here to confirm as a potential area of accumulation. But also like some buy signals to return as well to become more comfortably bullish on continued upside here. Once support has been confirmed, I am looking out for price action making its way up to my immediate short-term target and the strongest area of technical resistance waiting for us, $2.86. That is going to be the next key level that we will be making our way upward to here once support has been solidified. If we were to continue any sort of downside, price action will be making its way down to what appears to be potential support at 91 cents. This is where buy pressure may come into play. However, the strongest area of support isn't all the way until 42 cents. So that is where price action will likely make its way down to if we were to continue this downside suggested by the sell signals in play ever since the what appears to be middle of November here. EngineeringRobo has become bearish on this coin around the $2.20 level, and price action has experienced down to 47% in downside and still more than 29% down at current levels. So we are awaiting buy signals to return in my opinion. This combination of robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation near the 22-cent level throughout the end of July. After accumulation, price action experienced up to 1,455% in upside. If you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were still able to capitalize on 883% ROI if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions that came into play, and you were saved from over 40% in downside. So we are awaiting buy signals to return and further confirmations of support in my opinion. Let me know down below where you think prices will go. Now an update on coin symbol TRU, TrueFi coin. Price action making its way downward towards support here that I suggested a bullish area of accumulation may be present near. 31 cents is still awaiting interaction for us here as support. Buy signals have remained that came into play ever since the 18th of December here. We do have all three of our chosen robo advisors becoming bullish on price action and holding through these last few days in downside. When we last looked at this coin, I do believe we were interacting with the 40-cent level. I was suggesting significant resistance overhead. What appears to be 50 cents is going to be the strongest area of technical resistance, and we were far too close to potential technical sell pressure at 43 cents. So I was looking for a potential move downward here towards support at 31 cents, where price action is appearing to find buy pressure near. So we're looking for further confirmations of 31 cents as support, and buy signals to remain in play to become more comfortably bullish on continued upside here. As I mentioned, my target here for resistance is 50 cents. If we were to fail to hold 31 cents though, price action could make its way down to 24 cents as a potential area of support and buy pressure. And the strongest area of technical support waiting for us though, if we were to fail to hold key levels at 31 cents, is all the way down at 14 cents here. So price action waiting for interactions down below. We do have buy signals in play. Let me know your thoughts on the direction of this coin, where you think price action is headed. Now coin symbol SC, SIA coin. Price action looking for support down below here under the influence of sell suggestions. We do see some price action unfolding above the 1 cent level. I do believe key level here 0.01495 is going to be the technical level of support we are looking for continued interaction with here. We do have bullish interaction with it over the last sort of week and a bit. I do believe price action may need to further confirm support down below, however, as we are under the influence of sell suggestions ever since the 4th of December. We do see a buy signal attempting to return with today's daily candle. This early bird is attempting to come back into play. However, we need this daily candle to close to confirm this buy signal, and we also would need a second robo advisor to become bullish on continued upside here to allow comfortable accumulation, which would be at my key level, the 0.01495. So we're looking for continued confirmations of support down below. This combination of robo advisors suggested a bullish area area of accumulation near the 0.018 level. After accumulation, price action experienced up to 63% in upside over the following 53 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high here, our most recent interaction with sell suggestions suggested you close your position after 2.7% in downside after accumulation. And since these sell signals, technically price action has diminished down to 21% and is still more than 10% down at current levels. So we are awaiting buy signals to return to become more comfortably bullish on accumulation. I do believe support is down below. What are your thoughts on this coin though? Now, Ethereum looking for support down below here and interactions with buy signals as we make our way sideways. Still, we do have strong fundamental buy pressure interacting with heavy technical sell pressure, causing this conflict and indecision in the market. Price action interacting above key level $3,923 is very bullish here for us, and we could potentially use this as an area of accumulation if daily candles can continue to open and close with their wicks and bodies above it. And we also have this buy one attempting to return with today's daily candle. However, we need this daily candle to close to confirm this buy signal in play, and we would need a second Robo advisor to become bullish again as well, to become more comfortably bullish on continued upside. So price action still awaiting further confirmations of support. I do believe, in my opinion, upside is awaiting us here. However, technically we just may not be ready yet. So looking for further confirmations to be met here on Ethereum before we can make our way upward. It would appear we're looking at Bitcoin price action currently back above this key level. What appears to be $48,577 is now below price action, awaiting confirmations of support. We need daily candles opening and closing above it to confirm it as support here and become more bullish on these continued gains, because we are still under the influence of sell signals present ever since the 16th of November. In my opinion, I still am bullish on the recovery of Bitcoin here, making its way back upward to all-time highs. However, further confirmations need to be met and buy signals need to return here for me to be more comfortably bullish on the recovery of the uptrend. So let me know your thoughts on cryptocurrency down below though. Are you bullish or bearish here? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.